Romualdez allays fears that the market will be flooded with rice imports. This is after the board of the National Economic and Development Authority, or NEDA, chaired by President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., approved the rice tariff reduction to 15% from 35%. House Speaker Martin Romualdez made a statement after meeting several government agencies as well as big rice retailers.
Yung binababa lang yung tariff reduction. Yung pag-import, hindi naman ibabaha kasi there's a regular flow of imports. Yung pumapasok na bigas ay sapat lang talaga. Hindi naman ibabaha. Yung ma-adjust lang yung taripa. So yung babayaran lang, may babawasan lang.
For DA, in the event na may massive influx ng bigas, they could raise the safeguard measure, the safeguard measure. So, which means they can do that pag mag-harvest season na, tapos nakikita nilang dumadami na yung volume, di ba? Yes, by raising the safeguard duties measure. So, may paraan sila in the event na ganoon talaga yung volume na biglang magulat tayo, di ba?
The government also assured farmers of continued subsidies in rice production. This is even with losses in revenues as a result of the rice tariff reduction.
If and when it is necessary for us to adjust the necessary interventions that our farmers needs, ay nakalatag na rin naman po yun. We can give additional, basta may ma-provide na budget po sa atin ng Kongreso at ang ating Pangulo, ay maibibigay po natin itong mga to. So basta ang assurance lang niya is to make a more efficient and effective doon sa interventions na nakalatag natin para sa ating mga rice farmers.
Meanwhile, Speaker Romualdez hopes that there will be available lower price of rice to the public as soon as possible, or even before the State of the Nation address of PBBM on July 22. Rosa Licoz, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.